India never ceases to amaze. In the far eastern corner, in Sikkim, I found a place that felt like the edge of the world. Nestled high in the Himalayas, Sikkim's mountains seem to touch the sky, and its border with Tibet feels more like a gateway than a line. The journey into East Sikkim is an adventure, leaving behind bustling towns, climbing twisting roads, and watching lush forests turn to rugged terrain. Here, legends are whispered on the wind, and the spiritual feels close at hand. Cultures have mingled for centuries. You see it in faces, hear it in languages, and taste it in the food. Tibetan influence is everywhere, from the houses to the vibrant festivals. Borders here are just ideas. Life flows across them like clouds over the peaks. My quest to find the hidden villages along this ancient frontier and discover the stories of those who call this challenging landscape home. It felt like stepping into a living history, where time moves at its own pace. Long before highways, the Silk Road wound through East Sikkim, connecting India and Tibet. Along this ancient trail lie Zuluk and Nathang, villages that once bustled with traders and their mules. Zuluk clings to a mountainside, overlooking breathtaking hairpin bends and engineering marvel. Higher up is Nathang Valley, the Ladakh of the East, a vast expanse at over 13,500 feet. Nathang was a major trading post, its valley once filled with tents and traders from distant lands. A small monastery and temple stand as silent witnesses to its past, prayer flags fluttering in the wind. Life here is slow, dictated by the seasons, with warmth and hospitality found in simple homestays. Over a cup of butter tea, you feel the magic of Zuluk and Nathang, guardians of a fading history. Visiting them is like traveling back in time. The scenery in East Sikkim is staggering, raw, dramatic, and shaped by the elements. Climbing from Zuluk, green valleys give way to barren, windswept mountains painted in shifting colors. On clear mornings, Kanchenjunga's snow peaks glow in the sunrise, making you feel small and awestruck. The famous zigzag road, with its 32 hairpin bends, offers dizzying views and heart-stopping moments. High-altitude lakes like Kupup shimmer turquoise, reflecting the vast sky. Weather here is unpredictable. Sunshine one moment, thick fog the next, and in winter, deep snow cuts off the region for months. The wind howls through the passes, adding to the mystical atmosphere. Despite the harshness, the mountains teem with life. Wildflowers burst into color in spring and summer. The air is pure, the silence profound, broken only by wind or distant birds. This extreme environment has created a unique, fragile ecosystem. Here, nature is in charge, and the landscape puts everything into perspective. It's a place to slow down, breathe deeply, and simply be present. The Himalayas here are both a challenge and a sanctuary. What makes Zuluk and Nathang truly special are their people, resilient, warm, and deeply connected to the land. Most families are of Tibetan descent, their ancestors settling here generations ago. Life follows the seasons, summers for tending crops and yaks, winters for gathering indoors and sharing stories. Winters are long and harsh, villages often cut off for months. Their ability to thrive is inspiring, a testament to wisdom passed down through generations. Despite hardships, there's a sense of peace rooted in their Buddhist faith. These people are the true heart of the hidden Himalayas. The culture here is a vibrant tapestry of Indian and Tibetan influences. Homes are built of stone and wood, with colorful, intricately painted windows, a blend of practicality and tradition. Meals mix Indian staples with Tibetan favorites, rice and dal, alongside momos and thukpa, all washed down with butter tea. Festivals are joyful, uniting the community in Buddhist rituals and local customs. Losar, the Tibetan New Year, brings feasts, prayers, and masked dances to the monasteries. These celebrations keep heritage alive and pass it to the next generation. People here speak multiple languages and move easily between cultures. This peaceful coexistence is a powerful lesson in unity and respect. In a divided world, these villages show the beauty of cultural exchange. Their unique blend is what makes the region unforgettable. It's a living example of harmony in diversity. Zuluk and Nathang's history is inseparable from the Silk Road, a conduit for goods, ideas, and cultures. For centuries, caravans crossed these high passes, trading silk, wool, and spices between India and Tibet. The villages were vital oases, offering shelter and supplies to traders and their animals. Nathang Valley was once a multicultural hub, alive with barter and the sounds of many languages. The British recognized its strategic value, leaving behind army barracks and a war memorial. The border closure in the 1960s silenced the trade, isolating the villages overnight. Locals turned to farming and animal husbandry, while the Indian Army became a key presence. Today, remnants of the old trade route remain, stone paths, stories, and memories. Tourism now brings new hope, as adventurous travelers seek out the region's history and beauty. The Silk Road's legacy lives on in the spirit of these hamlets. Their past shapes their present, offering a bridge between worlds. Beyond history and culture, this region is a sanctuary for rare plants and animals. The altitude and climate create a unique biodiversity hotspot. Rhododendron forests, alpine meadows, and wildflowers in riotous bloom. The elusive red panda, Himalayan monal, and blue sheep call these mountains home. Seasons transform the land. Monsoon brings lush green, autumn clear skies, and winter deep snow. Wildlife adapts or migrates, following the pulse of the Himalayas. Preserving this fragile paradise is vital. These villages and landscapes are treasures. Tourism brings both opportunity and challenge. Sustainability is key. Zuluk and Nathang must remain peaceful, pristine havens. They are reminders of a simpler, harmonious way of life. Protecting them is a legacy for future generations. Here, nature and culture are inextricably linked, a wonder to cherish and defend.